Hi besties, how are you guys doing? So guys, this is the kinky I got at the market, and then this is the one I did myself. In this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how to produce your own kinky hair at home using braid extension. So this kinky we are going to be producing, you can use it to do any hairstyle of our choice. Any hairstyle that kinky can do can as well go for this one. Is it packing gel? Is it passion twist? Is it micro twist? Anything you want to do, you can do it with this particular kinky that I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do from start to finish using attachments. So this is just what you need. You need an extension, you need something like this. You can use broom or any material that is like this is okay. So when you get your braid extension attachment, definitely you must have stretched, brushed, and combed it very well. Then go ahead and start twisting it on your material or your broom or a stick. Anything you can get that will serve this purpose is okay. Twist and roll it. Okay, you twist and roll. I'll still show you guys the second method you can do this. So it's either you twist and roll or you do the second method I'm going to show you guys. So please make sure that the twisting is very tight, because we need, so that make sure that your twisting is tight, because we need to get the best result. So keep twisting and rolling on that material to exhaust the extension, and when you are done, switch over to the other side and do the same thing. So the length depends on you. If you want a longer length, that means the extension has to be longer, but if you want a short one, the extension have to be short. Okay, so when you are done with that end, switch over to the other end and do the same thing. You twist and roll. Remember what I said, you can use this kinky hair that we are trying to produce here in this video to do any hairstyle of your choice. Is it packing gel? Just produce enough, and for your packing gel. Is it micro twist? Produce enough for that. Is it locks that you want to do? You want to do the straight locks with this? Produce enough and do this. Some of these things are things you can do at home. That's why I'm here for you guys. So this is the second method. You can just simply roll it on the material, but please make sure it's very tight. Okay, if you know yours won't be tight if you use this method, please use the previous one, which is when you twist and roll. Okay, so guys, like I was saying, I am here for you guys. Mine is to bring all these tutorials for you guys, simple hair hacks you can do yourself at home without spending much. Okay, so the next thing I did was to put a little conditioner on my bowl, add the twisted hair into the bowl, then apply hot water. Please, hot water, like the one that is boiled hot water. If I'm not mistaken, but you understand what I mean. And allow the stuff to sit in that conditioner water for some time. I'm making use of little piece, just piece like 5, to show you guys how to do this. Okay, it's not left for you to do as many. That would be enough for you to do any style of hair you prefer. So when I allow it to sit a bit inside the conditioner water, go ahead and bring it out, allow it to dry a bit, and then the next thing is just for you to remove it from the broom. For me, I'm making use of broom, so go ahead and make use of broom. If you can't get your hand to any other thing, you can use broom. So now you can use this to do your passion twist. Okay, you can use this to do your passion twist, but this is not the purpose of this video. What we are trying to produce here is kinky hair, but you can as well use this to do your passion twist. Just wait and see the results when I'm done twisting this. When you are done doing this, you can simply crochet it onto your hair. It will serve as another purpose. So this tutorial is just like 2-in-1 tutorial. Okay, you can use it to do passion twist like this. So just go ahead and crochet it onto your hair. But I am going to be losing this because this is not the main purpose of this video. Okay, so it's 2-in-1 tutorial. So while you are trying to learn how to make kinky with braiding hair, I've in a way showed you guys how you can do passion twist with it too. I deserve some kudos, right? So what you do for me now is show your appreciation by clicking that like button, either a thumbs up, share, please share to your friends, share to your groups, comment, say something. If you have any question, go ahead and ask in the comment section. So this is the first way you can get your kinky. Just cut out the down part of it, and then you have to separate it the way I'm doing. You can either do this or do the second one I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so keep separating it like that, and you got your kinky. This time you can go ahead and apply some oil sheen to it. So this is the second way. Okay, you can just hold both ends and try to drag them, like separating the coils to get our kinky hair. You see what I'm doing? Okay, so you can do this, or you can simply separate it the previous one I showed you guys, using the previous method I showed you guys. Okay, so this is it. You get your kinky. So with this now, you can use it to do any style. Is it packing gel? Is it passion twist? Is it the stripy locks? Is it micro twist? Is it anything that you want to do? You are free to do this. And you want it to be more shiny, just apply oil sheen on it and you're good to go. So this is the one I got from the market, and then this is the one I did. Okay, so there's no difference. It's the same thing. Mine is even soft. It's more softer than the one I got at the market. Trust me, it's very soft. I am the one that did it. I'm the one that fed both. Mine is softer. So I've ended up showing you guys how you can produce kinky hair at home yourself using your braid extension, even your old extension. I mean, the attachment you already used to braid your hair, you can use it to do this. So instead of wasting those attachments, when I use it do your kinky hair, I use it to do another style of hair. Is it not? So that is it not cost efficient? It's cost efficient. You using your old attachment to produce your kinky hair, I use it to do a different kind of hair. So guys, thank you guys for watching and following me to this point. I really appreciate. Feel free to drop all your questions in the comment section, and please, if you are here to give this video a thumbs up, please do that. Help me to distribute my video by sharing to your friends, colleagues, groups. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to make video on, you want me to make video on how you can use this kinky hair to braid your hair or do any other kind of style of hair you want, let me know in the comment section. I will do that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye bye.